Like, can you guys do this rubbish? Because there's no point. If I ever get to sit down, that's like all of my bum and my butt crack in the air, and that's just not cute. That is not cute. And welcome back to my channel. So I know that you guys have already seen this outfit, and if you haven't, go ahead and click the link up here or here. I don't know where it's gonna be, and I don't want to look like a crazy person, but go ahead and click the link right on your that will pop up right on your screen to see how I made this super easy off-shoulder nice leggings off-shoulder top. Anyway, so today I decided to show you guys different ways that I would pair these with bottoms and how I would style them. So I'm not necessarily showing you guys full outfits like head to toe. It's just the off-shoulder top and the bottoms. And you guys go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me which one was your favorite or which one you liked the most out of all the ways that I'm gonna be styling them. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And yes, we're going for consistency this year, like at least one video every week. By the grace of God, it's gonna happen. I'm trying to stay as consistent as I can, and I know by the grace of the Holy Spirit it's gonna happen. Anyways, enjoy this video. Let me not ramble too much. Let's get right into it. So the first that I have for you guys is obviously my American Apparel riding pants, and I think I got these for $10 because they were closing all over Canada. Well, I'm not gonna say all over Canada, but I think Canada, because they were not making enough money, so like everything was pretty much on sale for like the lowest of the low. I got these for $10, like I'm not even kidding. But anyway, so I would pair these two together because I feel like they look perfect, and this looks more almost official like, so you can wear this and go ahead and wear a blazer with it, but this is just an option depending on how you feel and the mood and what you're going for. So this is how I paired. This is the first pairing, this is the first styling. So this along with the American Apparel, and yeah. Next are these ripped jeans that I don't like so much. This is actually my first time wearing them ever. Like I've owned them since like 2016 and I've never worn them. This is my first time wearing them just for the purpose of this video. I don't even think I'd be wearing this out, or if I ever decide to, I will definitely use belts. And I'm not gonna wear this out because I hate low-waisted jeans, and this is very low-waisted, and I hate low waist with all of my heart. Like, can you guys see this rubbish? Like, this is the way it looks behind, and this doesn't make me so comfortable because there's no point. If I ever get to sit down, that's like all of my bum and my butt crack in the air, and that's just not cute. That is not cute. Anyways, I like them because they're like ripped at the knee area, and I like the way they're like just fluffy at the bottoms. They're not like well sewn or like whatever. They're just a little bit messy, like very boho like, in the way that I like I definitely dig them. If they were just a little bit high-waisted, I would love them. I wouldn't have a problem with them, but this is the second way that I would personally wear it. If it was, I mean, I might still wear it out, but I'm just so concerned about the waist and how low it is. But aside that, I think it's cute. I think it's nice. What do y'all think? I don't know if I mentioned, but the ripped jeans that I wore, the like whitewashed ripped jeans that I just tried on before this, they are from H&M. So if anybody was wondering, those are from H&M, and these are like my favorite jean skirts and probably the only jean skirts that I own. And these are from Forever 21, and I love them so much. I like them because they're quite elastic, so even if I add weight, I wouldn't have a problem or be scared that this wouldn't fit, because it will always fit. And I love this belt thing that comes with it. I don't know, I just like it. And I like that it has pockets both in front and at the back as well. I'm gonna show you guys. So, and it makes my booty look so good, right? Anyways, so this is another way that I would wear this in the summertime, definitely, because I love these. so much, like, and I mean black goes with everything, so why not? For a more casual and just laid back, relaxed look, I would definitely wear these I don't even know what to call. These are like the flat pants, but they have slits by the side. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they have slits on like both sides, and I really love these pants. And these ones are from Le Chateau, so definitely this is another way that I would definitely rock this top. So yeah, tell me guys, what do you think? What you think? It's super nice and super small, because I do have a small waist, but like relatively wide hips, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is another way that I would definitely rock this outfit or rock this top. So yeah, this is definitely another way that I would wear this top with these pants from, I think these are from, let me check, these are from Sirens, and I just really love them. So if you don't know by now, you should be able to tell that I am really obsessed with like high-waisted pants. Anything high-waisted skirts, high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts, anything that just comes with a high waist, I am down for that. So this is another way that I would definitely wear this, and these are also flat pants, and yeah, they're pretty nice. I love them. So yes, this is another way that I would definitely wear this. It's my style, my usual pose. And lastly, I would definitely pair these with my shorts from, I think these are the mom jeans. I don't even know what they're called. These are like the only shorts that I own, because I usually don't wear shorts. But I would definitely pair these with some shorts in the summertime, and obviously maybe with some belt. And let me just go ahead and put this look together properly. So this is another way that I would definitely pair these off-shoulder tops. So with this, I have come to the end of the video. Definitely let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, which one was very well put together, or whatever. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, share with your mama, share with your daddy. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now. God bless you. Peace.
Girl, follow me, man, you. Girl, follow me. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your head, you. For your head, you. Oh, mama, mo. Oh, yeah, take all my money, put them for your waist, you. For your waist, you. Why? I've been calling you. All I'm in is this, yeah, baby girl, follow me, man, you. Baby girl, follow me.